Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in, well, several unboxings, something came in from KnifeJoy. Let's take a look at that. We got something that came in from OCD for EDC, and a couple things that came in from Rip's Garage Technology. Steve Rippler, which is RGT. So let's take a look at that. So the first thing we'll open, by the way, I'm opening it with my Spyderco Shaman. This is the Late Ops exclusive LMAX steel with Rip's Garage Technology scales, a lynch clip, beautiful, gorgeous little titanium polished CME. So let's take a look at this guy. See what this is all about. I think, is that all I need? Yep, so here we go. So what do we have here? If I can get it, a little sticker, KnifeJoy, which is cool. All right, KnifeJoy sticker. We got a little, we'll put the sticker off to the side. And what do we have here? Oh, something a little green. So, this is a little green Spyderco. What does this mean? So already you're going, oh, I've seen this a similar knife before. Yeah, this is the Lil Native in CPM 20CV. Let's see, it's not broken in quite yet, but that is the knife. And if you look at it, what does it look like? It looks like a baby shaman, doesn't it? Now the cool thing is, this fits really well in a hand. This is a great little, like, fifth pocket knife, just like compression lock as well. Now this one is in, like that one's LMAX. This one right here is in 20 CV, made right here in Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth. So this is a cool little knife. It's small. It's a great little fifth pocket knife, right? So that's the first thing. Let's go ahead and open this right here. Yeah, we'll open this one right here. So what do we have here? Oh. So this is a set of, what does this look like? Scales, right? And I cut the top of this off, so. And of course we have some more stickers. We'll put that off there. It's always great for giveaways. So if you can see this, that's what this would be. Look at that. So there you go. And then we've got some hardware, some polished hardware, because this looked like this wasn't polished. And it does look polished now. It didn't before. Well, those screws are kind of cool. Looks like a flathead screwdriver. Oh, maybe you know, we may end up using that after all. So there we go. All right, the next one is another one, and this one here is, what is this? So I'm going to put these off to the side. This is a clip. Now it's not just any clip. You know, I'm not a big Timascus fan, right? But this is kind of a cool clip. Let's see what this is. This is what they call ghost Timascus. So it's basically kind of like a polished black and white Timascus. So, and that would go right on here, like that. I think that would look nice. We can always polish this a little bit because it polishes up really well, I think. So another sticker, we'll save that. And then finally we have one more thing here. This is from OCD for EDC. And this, a little receipt. And what we have here is CME and always some candy. He always likes to include some candy. So this time we got some Nerds, strawberry Nerds. And what do we have in here? I don't know if I need to cut that open. No, I don't. Okay. I didn't know if he sealed it. So we've got some stickers, and there it is. A little titanium, some glue. All right, this may be a second parter. Maybe we won't get it all done in one video. This is going to take a lot of work, right? So this could be an installation where we polish this like we did over here, and we're going to put that on here. So this is a smaller version that goes on this one right here like that. So you see this right here? So it allows this to be open left-handed like that. So that's going to be pretty cool. We'll put that off to the side, save the OCD sticker. That'll be a great giveaway. But let's get into this one right away. Let's go ahead and take this apart, remove my stuff out of the way, move the knife out of the way. I have backup hardware in case I need it. So let's just install this real quick. I believe we're looking at T6s here. T6, and then are these T8s? T8s, yeah. So T8s and T6s. So I've put the knife off to the side. What am I doing? All right, so let's take this off here first. All right, so I'm going to have to use this part right here. This is a captive pivot. So if I can put this on here. Let me take this off first. Okay, that one's not going to come off, so I need to get this part off first so I can have a little leverage for that one. It's going to make it a little challenging here, so let's do that. Okay, now comes a little challenge to get this off. I'm probably going to have to use my cloth here. And I dropped a screw or something over there. It doesn't, not to the knife, so that's good. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Ooh, that was tough. There we go. There it is. It's on there pretty good. It doesn't need to come off, actually, so we're okay. So this is going to go in here. This one's going to go in here. So technically, we just need to polish the phosphor bronze up a little bit. I like to do that, if you didn't know, because they're, you know, gives a little better action, but it's always nice to make sure there's no burrs on there. That's nice and polished. There you go. What I also do, it's not necessarily absolutely necessary, but I just make sure there's no burrs on that thing. And kind of check the back. Usually there's not, so there we go. I'll wipe everything down. All right, so I'm going to put that over there. Now, does this have a... Okay, There's only a D on one side, right? Yeah. A D-shaped pivot, so that's what I'm talking about. I mean, there's a little flat spot on there. So then what we do is we take the screw, there's supposed to be 2 screws here, so I'll make sure I didn't lose one. Oh, there's the other one. Okay, yep. Alright, so we're just trying to get that on there. I'll get a little bit of oil. So this is the side the detent pole is on, so let's also get that. Looks like there's the ramp. All right. Let's see which is the smoother side. I think it's this side right here. All right, now we have the ring over here. So this goes through one side. So I need to get this right here. Probably lose that. Come back to it. I gotta get this turned around. So I think we're close. So close. All right, there we go. That's the first step. So we're going to come back to this. I'm going to make this a 2-part because I don't think I can really do what I want to do in one video here. What we've done is we have taken off the original scales, the original clip. We have extra hardware just in case, which I was fortunate not to need, and this hardware is pretty nice. And so what I'm going to do for my next step, I think, is I might try to polish this a little bit, see how that works. I'll do it on the inside first to see what it looks like, probably on the base of the clip, because Timascus, when it's polished, they call it ghost Timascus, it's really beautiful. And let's see here, I was doing it before. The action is really nice on this thing. So it's small, but once you get it used to it, this is a great little 5th pocket knife, especially in 20 CV. So this is like basically a baby shaman. You see that? So it's pretty much like a baby shaman as far as I'm concerned. Just, you know, smaller. So, and then if we can get that CME put on here, that'll be another, because we got to polish that. I just don't have time to do that right now. That'll look really nice, and then we'll be able to open and close it like that as well. So very, very cool. So that is the Lil Native. That's step one, right, in our process, in our upgrade here. We're making it a little beauty. So we're gonna do some more with this. Just making sure I get everything off screen. So we're gonna do our video clip. So I'm gonna put the Charmin away. So let's take a look at this. This is the Lil Native by the Spyderco. This is the made in Golden, Colorado, USA. So this is in CPM 20 CV blade steel. And I took off the green G10 scales and I put on Rip's Garage Technology RGT titanium scales to kind of enjoy and highlight this beautiful little knife. Let's clean off the blade here a little bit. So here we go. 20 CV blade steel. And let's look at the back with the ghost clip. I'm really hoping this polishes up nicely because that's really what I'd like to do. Most people don't do it because it takes a little bit of time, and I'm okay with that. So there you go. Action is actually not bad for a little guy like this, right? So there you go. Clip is on there nicely. Has a little bit of flexibility like most titanium does. So yeah, this is going to be pretty nice. All right, yeah, so that is the Spyderco Lil Native with Rip's Garage Technology scales, a clip, and Spyderco 20 CV blade steel. That was a KnifeJoy exclusive, so there you go. Stay tuned for part 2 of the mod coming up. I'll have that. So this is part 1. So thanks for watching. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button? If you already hit that like button, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, lets the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you who watch the videos, who like the videos, and who ultimately subscribe. I sure appreciate you guys. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. And to all my channel members, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I sure appreciate you. And especially those of you who followed from the beginning, joined along the way, and became members recently. I sure appreciate every one of you. And my way to say thank you is I do a once a month members giveaway. So be on the lookout for that if you're a member. Make sure it's a really nice knife, especially with all the new members we've had. We've had a lot of them, so I want to go out of my way to make sure that's really nice. And then also, if you're a brand new member, email me with your name and address. I'd love to send you a sticker, send you a channel sticker. And if you're a member, been a member for a while, and you haven't emailed me, and you're still a member now, email me as well, and I'll send you a sticker as well. I just need your name and address. Thanks so much. Sure appreciate you guys. You guys just are really amazing. And if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.